Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me, as we're going to have a closer look on how you can sit in sitting meditation without being cross-legged. And what you need for today's practice is a block and a cushion. Good intentions as always, your mat, and then I would say let's step on our mat and let's practice. We start off on 6, and for a moment just feel your head being relaxed, weight on your hands, feet, lower leg, knees. Inhale and exhale, relax. And then bring your knees together and your feet apart. I would even say almost to the edges of the mat. Make sure that the heels are out, toes in, and look back so that you can see the space should be enough for you to sit in between your legs, in between your feet. And then you go slowly back. So my hands are pressing a bit down and forward as I go slowly back. And you might feel your groins going in, and make sure that your sitting bones are going back. So don't tilt the pelvis back, don't turn the sitting bones down. They're going back, and there's a certain point when you feel you can't keep them moving back anymore, so your pelvis wants to tilt back. That would be the moment where you take a pillow or a block, place it in between your legs, continue your journey going back until your sitting bones reach whatever you placed below, cushion or block. And then here, very important, you walk in with your hands, you don't change the lower part. So you're just walking in with your hands. And then you go more back until you sit upright. So to me it feels like sitting on a throne. You should not feel any weight on your knees. So you're really sitting on your sitting bones and tall up. That is very important. Align your head with your spine and feel the comfort of the pose and the height. So how much height do you need below your buttocks depends on the softness of your groins. So maybe you don't need a cushion and a block, maybe just a cushion. Maybe you just need a block. Maybe you don't even need any of both. So whenever you exhale, you release weight onto your sitting bones. So even the feeling of slightly leaning a bit back. Relax. Feel the pose. Once again, knees are light and the weight is back. And then to come out of the pose, you do exactly the same. You go forward and you walk out again. So like always, I hope that this little insight of mine brought you something to move forward on your own yoga journey, and I hope that you could feel that it is more important to be relaxed in your sitting pose as to follow any kind of instruction. So maybe cross-legged is not yet your best option. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back again. I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.